You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Ford F-150. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: moonroof, backup camera, trailer hitch, rain-sensing wipers. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.